Aozita steamer basket for instant pot accessories. 6-tier 8-quart 2-tier stackable 18/8 stainless steel mesh strainer basket, silicone handle, vegetable steamer insert, egg basket, pasta strainer. 2-tier stackable basket. Make the best out of your instant pot with our steel mesh steamer pot that comes with a big basket and a smaller one that fits in together perfectly, so you can easily cook a variety of foods simultaneously while keeping them well separated. An effective way to utilize time, especially when you want to whip up no-fuss quick weekday meals. Enhance the utility of Instant Pot, step out of the usual recipes, and enjoy the multifunctional aspect of your electric pressure cooker with our steamer insert. Apart from its use as a meat or vegetable steamer and stew cooker, these are perfect for broth preparation as the mesh makes straining the solids out quick and easy. A nice egg basket and a practical pasta strainer too. Ultra safe and incredibly convenient, made with high-quality 18/8 food-grade stainless steel. Our nice and sturdy steamer basket is built to last and is dishwasher safe. The stable trivet design keeps the basket stable without toppling and spilling hot contents, and the gray no-burn silicone handles make sure you don't burn your fingers while taking the mesh out of the cooker. Widely compatible design, though our vegetable steamer basket is designed especially for Instant Pot 8-quart and 6-QT Instant Pot models. These would work well with other stovetop or electric pressure cookers like IPDU-060, IPLU-X60, IPDU-080, Kuhn-Riken, Power XL, Mealthy, Cuisinart, Faber, Costaway, Faberware, T-Fault, Elite, Gowise, Sakura, Gourmet. Risk-free purchase. If you have any issue with our products, please don't hesitate to contact us. We will try our best to find a satisfactory solution for you within 24 hours. However, we are quite sure that you will be impressed. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.